And just still talking about the sliding doors, Alex, if somebody wanted an office, because we do have customers, they'll maybe buy a 20 by 8, but it's a wife and husband team on the phones, and they want separate areas for each office. So would you just put a wall between?
Well, you can have a soundproofed wall between.
Solid wall.
Yeah, we did one not long ago where it was a music classroom. So they were having the cello in one side and piano on the other. So we put, the doors are very soundproof because they're a sealed unit with a core inside. So they're quite a soundproof thing. They don't, and the core is paper, so the resonation, is resonation the word?
Resonance,
doesn't go through the door as badly. And they told us that it was very good. So you can have totally blocked out.
Yeah, solid wall.
Solid wall.
Yeah, but
then you have two doors
option.
into your studio. Or you could just put a sliding door between the two.
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't do hinged doors anymore because they're just nowhere near close to what we do with these. We like to keep our stuff simple.
Yep.
So that we can take it back if you need to, or we can sell it on for you. So we keep everything very simple.
Yeah. Okay, that's great. Thank you.